quickly want to show you how to prevent having sunburn if you're going out under hot sun. Like, the sun is really hot these days, especially if you're in Nigeria. The sun is really hot, so this is what I do to prevent having sunburn. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you're so welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Guys, subscribe. You're not going to pay for subscribing, right? Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and also like, share, and comment. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So let me quickly show you what I do whenever I go out, especially under the hot sun, because the sun is really much in Nigeria right now. I don't know about other countries, but in Nigeria the sun is really hot. Me using sunscreen, I still do this, so I quickly want to show you what to do to prevent having sunburn. All right, so this is what I do with my scarves. I have a lot of scarves, so you can get, if you don't have scarves, I would advise you should get scarves these days. I advise you to get scarves, a lot of scarves, like big scarves like this. You see mine, this long. I have different type of them, and I'll be showing you how to use them anytime you're going out under the sun. Even after using your sunscreen, make sure you do this. And that's why I'm going to show you how to use this scarf in a fashionable way that you can use it anywhere you're going. So what I do is I put it on my head like this. Yes, I do it this way. So I would advise you to get this scarf so that you can do this. So adjust it this way and take it back. Take it back like this. And that's it. Make sure it's not too tight so that it will not shock you, please. So this is what I do, and make sure it's guiding your side high, and that's where we are targeting. And at the end of the day, you do not have sunburn. So this is how I do it. Can you see now? It's still fashionable. This one is this cap is thick, it's comfy and thick, so that's why I'm not going too round. I'll still show you some other scarves that I have, that it depends on the outfit I'm using. So I use this scarf according to my outfit and color anyway. So this is one. Let me show you another one before showing you the last thing I do to prevent this sun, because man, the sun is damn hot. This is another scarf. This is black. You see it? It's fashionable, so you can wear it on any outfit. So this is it. And the last thing I do to complete my outfit is to put my sunshade. Yeah. So this is how I go out anytime I go out, after applying sunscreen on my face, so that I will not burn my face. This is what I do, and trust me guys, this is very effective. It prevents the sun from hitting your eye, and the sunshade to guide your face. You will look fresh going out and coming back. You know, by the time you come back home, your face will still look fresh. It will prevent the sunburn. So this is what I do. Can you see it? So that's this. This is just it. This is how I usually go out. So guys, you can do the same thing to prevent the sun. Okay guys, so I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Be safe. Bye.